Hey guys!
Hi!
I didn't know what the video would be today, but Kit suggested that we go to a Japanese park. So we're here at a Japanese park because parks are really big in Japan,
Yes,
I think.
I think so.
Like, there's parks in America, of course.
Well, just the fact that there's people out and about, even parents and kids, I feel like you don't see that very often in America.
Yeah, but there's parks everywhere in Japan, I feel like.
True.
Like, not just big ones, small ones. There's little small ones throughout neighborhoods and stuff. There's a lot in California. Like, they seem to build one in like every subdivision, but here they're like there's just random parks between houses and stuff. The one we're at today is called Comprehensive Park, and it's massive. This is a really big park, so this isn't really a good representation of like what your average Japanese park looks like, because this one's like a huge facility thing and it has like amphitheaters and like tennis courts and swimming pools and but I want to specifically show you guys, I just whistled. I want to specifically show you guys how Japanese play structures work, because compared to American play structures, they're very dangerous and also very fun. So
I feel like because it's dangerous, it's fun.
yeah, it's like what American parks were. Even when I was growing up, some of them, they converted them pretty quickly, but they were all like made of cement and steel and stuff.
I feel like
and they're like, 100 feet in the air.
I feel like those Karens out there would probably complain about this one.
Karen.
The reason I suggested this park specifically, or at least the play structure for this specifically, is because even though this one has a lot, not every park looks like this, but I wanted to showcase this because bits and pieces of what's here at the play structure exists in almost every park in Japan. Whether it's the rolly slides, the zip lines, the weird climbing walls. Those may not all be in one play structure or park, but at least some of them exist in every playground.
So let's go check it out. There's a lot of people here. I don't know if I've ever been to a park where there's a line for the slide. I mean, it's an intense slide, and these slides are pretty cool in Japan. It has like metal wheels all the way down it. It's not just like a regular slide. Let me see if I can show you guys. This is a crazy park. Look at this. All right, slide time. See, there are rollers here, so you go really quick. Oh! Oh! Woo! That was awesome. So guys, we have this thing too. It's like a climbing structure. It's just like this diagonal, weird rock wall thing. And it looks like there's arrows. So we start over there and end this direction. This is one of the coolest parks I've ever been to. And it's actually really cool to see it super active like this. There are kids and their parents, they're everywhere. They're all playing around. This is a massive play structure with tons of slides, tons of rock climbing places. The whole underneath of this thing has a bunch of stuff. It's a really cool park. And then on this side, you can actually camp here. There's a bunch of people camping. Over there is the beach, the water, which I'll walk over there in a second. We did a live video of it on our Live in Okinawa Facebook page. If you want to check that out, it's linked down below. So this place is fun and really busy.
I wish I brought my hammock.
It would be fun to have kids and do this park.
I would probably come to this park with or without my kids.
There's little Jimmy.
We're not naming our kids Jimmy. Sorry to all the Jimmys out there, we're not naming their kid Jimmy.
Sorry, Sasuke.
You and your Naruto name. I don't know why you like Sasuke so much.
Ocean. The water's low right now. Normally it comes up to like here. This park has a pathway just right along the beach. So we walked a little bit farther in this park. We were over there at the ocean, as you can see, and we walked along this path all the way down this way, and then it comes up right there. And this is sort of a 360 view of just where we're at. Sorry guys, the wind is crazy. Let's see if I can keep it up close and not get it windy. That's the big play structure where we were. So we walked from there to here. And this is the rest of the park. There's a big amphitheater there. I forgot they actually have water slides and a little water park at this park. Again, this is not something common in Japanese parks. Oh no, that fell over. Everything that's like green and trees, that's this park. It's like a massive park. It goes from the water like all the way out there. They have paddle boats at this park too. And that is how you ride a one-person scooter with your friend.
That's how Japanese engineers are made.
Yeah. So after showing you guys the paddle boats, we decided to do it ourselves.
I sat in the wrong spot. You enjoying your romantic stroll around the pond?
Yeah. This is the park. It's a huge park. They have everything and they're kind of showing you. So there's the swimming pools, amphitheater of some sort, track, indoor soccer it looks like. There's the water park, bike rental. You can camp here. And then that's what we did. We did the paddle rowboat. And this is everything in the park, pretty big. So guys, we are just walking through the park, finishing up here. There's the tennis courts right up here. Yeah, this video was just supposed to be to show you what Japanese parks look like. And this is like a huge one. A lot of things that's very common in Japanese parks that are here are those slides with the rollers. What else? Oh, the zip lines.
The rock walls are pretty fun.
I've noticed a lot of them too do usually have like a track to run on, and as well as like some exercise equipment.
Yeah, the stretching equipment.
Yeah, they don't all have football fields or tennis courts or swimming pools or
paddle boats
or paddle boating, but this one does. Anyway guys, this was a Japanese park. Looking around, it feels like an anime to me, like I'm inside an anime.
You keep saying that, you're like, I feel like I'm in an anime right now.
It really does though. Like anime really reflects how Japan actually is. I mean, I guess that's the point. So that's it. That's your average Japanese park. Thanks so much for walking with us and watching this video. Subscribe down below if you want more about Japan and all this stuff. Like the video, it really helps me out on the Google, YouTube analytics and stuff like that. So anyway guys, thanks so much and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, by the way, this is Kit Zakimi. I'll link her channel below too.
Yes, I have a YouTube channel where I do
my wife.
I post daily vlogs.
Yep.
Of my life in Okinawa.
Thanks so much guys. See you in the next video. Looking forward to seeing you again.